Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive for a vision file sharing and collaboration. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Google Drive, and the first thing we have to do is create a folder in this Google Drive. Just click on this plus button, then just tap on folder. Then name the folder. For example, I'm going to name it sharing. Then just click on create. And after that, we can click on the folder. Then you can upload your file that you want to share. Just click on this plus button, then click on upload. And then choose the file from your device. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. So just tap on the file. Alright, and now the file is being uploaded to our folder, and if we want to share this file, we can simply click on this three dots button and then click on manage access, and we have to change the access. As you can see that this Google Drive is still restricted, so we have to change the setting and just click on this option, then click on anyone with the link. Alright, and now the general access has been updated. So anyone with the link can open this Google Drive folder. And if you want to share this folder or this file, we can simply click on this button. Then the link is copied to the clipboard and you can share the link to your friends. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Google Drive for a vision file sharing and collaboration. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.